Hello friends, welcome to Vanitashri's kitchen. Today let's see how to make Poori Kizhangu masala. This is one of the best side dish for puri in South India. I have used quarter kg of red potatoes for this recipe. You can use normal white potatoes. Now pressure cook these potatoes for about 3 whistles or until it becomes soft and peel them, mash them coarsely, not as a very smooth paste. Now let's make the masala. For this, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and let these splutter. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 big onion thinly sliced and saute this onion for about a minute. Add required amount of salt. Add 4 to 5 green chilies slit and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger or chopped ginger and give it a good mix. Don't chop the green chilies finely, always slit and add for kids' sake. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder into the onion mixture and saute for about a minute. Don't overcook the onions, let it be crunchy. Now it's time to add our mashed potatoes into the onion mixture and give it a good stir for about a minute in a medium flame. You can adjust the spiciness as per your taste always. If you want some tomatoes to be added, you can add for slight variation. Now add 1 cup of water and give it a good stir. I have used some frozen peas, it's optional. And now cover the pan with the lid and let this boil for about 2 minutes or until it attains the gravy consistency. This masala tends to thicken when it cools, so make it slightly watery before switching off the flame and garnish this beautiful masala with coriander leaves. That's it, our super delicious simple Poori Kizhangu masala is ready to serve. This masala will definitely make your taste buds feel heavenly along with puri, so please try this wonderful recipe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to Vanitashri's kitchen. Share this recipe to your friends. Life is all about caring and sharing. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.